is just a phenomenal opportunity. If you're listening right now to this and you don't have a real estate license, I highly recommend you get it. There are so many ways that you can monetize your real estate investing if you're doing investing with a real estate license. And this opportunity with Real is a standalone opportunity. You could do like Colton, and aside from just being a real estate agent and earning commissions, going out and doing transactions, you can build this 6 and 7 figure income stream by building a team. And that is such a phenomenal opportunity that's got me so excited. And we're off to the races. It's really fun, Colton, to have, people coming in and saying, Jerry, hey, I'm licensed. I want to be part of your team. I want to be in your circle. I want to be
Yep.
part of this amazing network of people that you're creating, because I want to collaborate in a way that I'm not just running around out there by myself, but I've got people
Yes.
helping me be successful. And that's a fun thing to be a part of.